How to change Outlook password. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to change Outlook password. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, you just need to head over to any browser of your choice and log into your Outlook account. So as you can see, I have now in the outlook.live.com, and this is my inbox mail, and I've already logged in from there. So what I can do next is to just click on this profile icon right here with my account manager. So from there you can see this option for my Microsoft account. So just click on that, and this will redirect you to another page. So just choose the Microsoft account that you want to change the password into. So for me, this is that Microsoft account, and then click that, and this will load again and redirect you to another page. So it has redirected me to account.microsoft.com, and as you can see right now, I have here the dashboard of my account. So what I need to do is to just click on security right here, and once I click on that, I just need to enter my password first in order to access the security. So I will enter my password, and so after that we will now see this security dashboard. So from in there you can see this change password option, so just click on that, and then this will redirect you to this page wherein you just need to type in your current password, then type your new password and also retype that new password and click on save, and you should be able to change your Outlook password. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change your Outlook password. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!